Hey, do you want to learn how to use ElevenMusic? It's an update by ElevenLabs. With this, you can create a full music with just a simple prompt, and I'm going to show you how to get these prompts as well. So let's get to it. Currently, I'm on ElevenLabs, and what you need to do is log into your account, and I have a link in the description. If you have not yet signed up on this website, you can go through that. And over here on the left hand side, you can click on music, and then on the right hand side, you can describe your song. Now, if you're not sure what prompt to type in here, you can go over to Chat GPT, and on it, you can say, give me prompts for ElevenMusic to test it out. Or if you have a specific type of a music that you have in mind, you can say it here in the prompt bar on the bottom and say, okay, I need ElevenMusic prompt for it. And it's going to make it like this. So from these prompts, I'm going to take in this one, 90s East Coast hip hop beat. I'm going to copy it from here by Control C and then go over here, Control V, and paste it. Now, on the left of this prompt bar, you can see variants. How many variants do you want? Do you want it to just generate one, or do you want it to generate more? And keep in mind that if you generate more variants, it's going to take in more credits. There's also duration. You can generate up to 4 minutes, or you can go with auto. So it's going to generate based on the amount of script it generates. So let's go with auto for this one. And let's click here on generate. So we have got 9,700 credits, and it costs 2,700 credits. So you'll have 7,000 credits left. So let's say I make it one variant. It's going to cost 1,350 credits. All right. And if you make it 30 seconds, okay, so with 30 seconds and one variant, it's only going to cost you 450 credits. Let's go with auto and 2 variants, and let's click on generate. On the bottom, it's going to start generating the intro, the verse 1, the chorus, verse 2, verse reprise, and outro. It's going to generate each of them one by one. And on the top, you can see the intro, the verse 1, and everything, the text, the script of it. You can see here. And if you make any change, you need to generate it again. All right, so it's done. Let's take a listen to it.
Check the vibe, we taking it back.
In truth on scratch vinyl stocks, rhymes raw like Ken Burns on a grainy reel, but hard like an alleyway sermon, heads nod in unison, knowledge.
All right, so you can hear the song, and it's quite good, right? Now, let's say I want to add one more section to it. I can extend it from here, or I can add a new section by clicking over here on the right, this plus icon. And then it's going to do this. So I can move this new section to anywhere I want. So let's say I put it over here in between of bridge and chorus. So it's going to make a new section based on it. You can also extend it. So let's say I want to extend this more. I can do that. There's a small text that's saying 27, 28, and I can keep on increasing it. So it can make it, I can make it like 35 seconds. And then all you have to do is just click here on generate. And then it's going to only charge for the generated sections. Let's click here on generate to generate for this new section. I think it took approximately around 1,050 credits to generate this new section, which was 35 seconds. So let's see what it did here. So yeah, it sounds great. And now maybe you want to download it to your computer because you want to use it in your editing software. So you can click here to download it, or you can also share it with some other person. Also, you can include or exclude styles from your music. So for example, maybe I do not want these scratchy samples in it. So I can just click here to exclude it. I don't want to include that style, but I want to include this EDM drops. It's an excluded styles. So I'm going to click here to remove it. And then on the top, I can say EDM drops like that. And once you're done with this, you do need to generate it again. So it's going to take in another set of credits. So let's click here on generate, and it's going to start creating this whole generation again based on your excluded and included styles. Let's take a listen to it.
Check the vibe.
And on the top here, on the right hand side, you can see variation 1. You can also look at the variation 2 here, so you can play it as well.
That's echo on the stoop. Brooklyn sun rises on the old school troop. One shot, no rehearse. Speak universal truths. Boom bap, hardest street. Feel the heat.
All right. Now, if you want to download this variation too, you can click here to download it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use ElevenMusic. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more ElevenLabs related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.